This stock went over the 50% and now 8% down. You know why? Because we discussed it in our pre-market update. We said the breakout zone should be around the 11 to go around the profit taking the 13, then of course the 24. If we go back, we see that the price went around the 23 yesterday and we got shorted. Today we broke and we went to our second or third profit taking that we discussed it in our channel here, and we said that 33 should be our profit taking here after we break the 24 cent, and we went there, and guess what? The price went down for this stock. Look, we went almost 36% for this stock. That's why we suggest always take profit. Next up on our list, we have ardx. As we suggested before, this box should be the buying pressure, or the whale should buy ardx. We're going to discuss where the reversal area and where the breakout for ardx, because it already jumped 100% in the last few days. We're going to discuss it if there's potential for another jump. And next up, we got coms. We got double top around the 1257. As we suggested before in our video, we said if we broke this level of resistance, we're gonna have a huge buying pressure until the 16 cent. Unfortunately, we didn't, because the short seller went heavily on the stock and the price gravitated around the support now around the 0.08. We have to discuss NEO, because NEO went almost 25%. Now we see a bit of drawback. However, we're still holding our current support. We're going to discuss where the price will have a potential reversal and continue to go higher, even 100% for NEO before the end of this year. Let's get right to it and start our video with those stocks. OTIC. You know why? Because this stock is pretty volatile. The volume is almost the 150 million, and after we broke this level of resistance around this IMA, the short have to cover, and that's why we had a squeeze. Look how much we did from the breakout, the 13. Boom, we did almost 137% for this stock. That's why we suggest always take profit on the way, because we don't know what's gonna happen for this stock. Yesterday we have a sell-off and the price went until the 19 cent. Then today we gapped up and we went until the third profit take came the 33 cent. So now I don't like the chart, because we broke this support at the 24 cent. Now I will be extremely careful. We need to have a breakout from the 24 cent to enter another bullish trend. Otherwise, the short will short this stock even more around the 13 cent 60, or even around the 14.70. Let me just put my alert, because here we're gonna see a huge buying pressure again for this stock around 15 cent. We have to watch out, because this will happen in few hours, because this stock is pretty volatile. Next up, we got ardx. As we suggested before, the price should have a big buying pressure when we enter this box. And guess what? Today, when the market opened, we have a wick and the price gravitating higher. So this is a good indication that there is a big whale buying ardx. The best indication that this will be the support or bottom for this year is breaking the $1.93. Because if we broke the $1.93 and we held above this current support, the $1.56, ardx will go to the squeeze area to $2.37. After that, we're gonna have two profit taken, the $2.75 and of course the $3.72. Another almost 70% profit taken for ardx. Next up, we got coms. We got double top, so this is a bit bearish for coms. So what we should expect now, we kind of broke this support. So I'll be extremely careful. We might see a price draw back once again toward this support, the 0.056. So let me just put it here. And of course, this level of support is turning to resistance. Let me just put it here. Yeah, the 0.090. So this should be the resistance. Let me just take this off and lower it down. Perfect. And this is the support for coms. The breakout zone is still around the 12.57 to go toward the 16 and the 22 cent. Let me just go back to NEO, because as we discussed it before, NEO in accumulation phase between the 12 and the 9. So today we have a huge buying pressure, and we went, let me just check, yeah, almost 20%. You know why? Because we broke this area of resistance and the breakout zone, the $12. So if we held the $12, we're gonna continue toward this profit taking toward the $15, $27, and the $16. So watch out for this profit taking and breakout zone, because after we break this level for NEO is mean we enter kind of a bullish trend until the 24. So the 24 for NEO is the turning point and enter a huge buying pressure and make the $10 or even the $9, I think. Yeah, we went until the $8. So this will be the bottom if we broke the $24 and hold above it. The best signal, the first signal, is breaking the $16, because this is where our ascending line actually there. So this will be the breakout zone, the first signal, holding 16, then the 24 should be our breakout zone toward the 33, and then around the $50 and the $60 for NEO. Let me know which price target for NEO you think will go for the next year. Maybe if we overcome the $24, we might see the $100 all-time high for NEO for the next year. Let me know in comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt Thursday market. See you in the next update.